Hi friends, it's Shanna. Tuesday afternoon here, still at Round Top. The tent's coming down, the show breaking down, but there's still some vendors here that we can give you more of a sneak peek into. And this is one that I was passing by in the road that I've seen a vast selection of rugs set up to see that I didn't get by, but I wanted to give you a little bit of a sneak peek and let you know about Rugvana here, right in center Round Top. They're based in Atlanta, and I'm just gonna give you a peek at some of the things that they've packed up so you can get a taste, and we can perhaps visit them when we get to Atlanta as well. So let's get a little look. I'll show you where they are along the road so you know where to find them, and then we'll just get a peek at what they've got already kind of folded up and packed, but we'll give you a sense for the all that they carry and the diversity of rugs that you can find here at Rugvana. All right, so here's big tents cleared out. Beautiful day today. A little bit cooler, a lovely breeze. So here we are, center Round Top. That's Old Glory there. Manditos. And Royer's Round Top Cafe would be at the right at that stop sign. And here we have the big tent with Rugvana. So let's just go and get a peek at what they're packing up so you can see. So beautiful, even folded up in the light here midday. Bright blue sky. And as you can see from the collection here, a vast selection all different styles and eras, antique to modern. We'll just get a peek back here. A beautiful day, here it is. Let's go get a look. All rolled up, moving along. Apparently they have a space opening up in South Carolina, which if I can get info on, I will share as well. All right, so Rugvana, right in center Round Top, another place to look for at the next show. It looks like they have pretty much everything you could be looking for in a rug selection in a huge tent right at the road. We're gonna carry on. I have a few other folks to introduce you to that are still here out in the field, and really looking forward to it. So we'll catch you in a bit. Bye for now.